Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Boys and girls, this weekend we'll be celebrating the gift of fathers. To all the fathers out there, let me wish you a happy Father's Day. So we're going to create and design a beautiful card for our daddy. So let's get started, boys and girls. First of all, let's get a card like this. We want it quite not too long but not too short at the same time. So this is a normal A4 sheet of paper, cardstock paper that is, and this is just taking it and cutting it 2/3 of the way, I would say. I'm just over 2/3 of the way. All right. And what we're going to do, we're going to do a handprint, and the handprint is going to be facing downwards like this, like that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to paint my hand in a bright orange color. So I'm going to try to make my hands a little small because my hands are big. And I know you all have tiny little hands. Cute little tiny hands. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to make my hands as small as I can. So I'm not going to paint everywhere of on my fingers because I don't want it to look extra big, and I'm painting it in orange, and I'm going to tell you why. So what I'm going to do, boys and girls, I'm just going to add some more water because it's drying already. It dries very quickly, so you just have to be very quickly at doing this project. So you get your paintbrush, you wet it up. Oops, I don't want it to wet my paper, and then we're going to make a nice little print. Alright, so I'm going to turn my paper upside down. Actually, I'll just do it this way, and then I will, let me just try to do it this way. So I'm going to print my hand down like this. So there it is, boys and girls, that's my handprint. I just come up from printing, and I'm just going to add a little bit of authenticity to this handprint. So I'm going to, I just want it to, no, I'd better not. Let me just use my hands, and then I will take the paper, and then I'll just stick it down just to add a little bit of. Alright, so I just want it to be, okay, let's see. I think that's a bit better. I like it better more. And then let me just add a little bit of more, like that, around for the head. So we're going to make the head. Oopsie, sorry, I want you to see how I'm doing it so that you get an idea what I'm trying to do. Good. So there we have our handprint. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll tell you what I'm doing. So there it is, nice and dry. Boys and girls, this is a picture of a fish, and I'm going to go ahead and give it, I'm going to paint my thumb pink to give it like a lip, a cute little lip. So I'm going to have like a lip like going one way this way. Good. Do it again. I'm going to have another lip going this way. Good. Liking it. Let me just add a bit more to the colour, make it more apparent. Just going to add another layer to this, like that. The same thing again. again. Yeah. All right, it's looking good. So boys and girls, let this dry, and then I'm going to explain to you what we're going to do next. We'll need a googly eye, and we're going to put in the sea. So this is your dad fishing, and yeah, it's a nice greeting card to your dad for Father's Day. Boys and girls, I got myself some really nice googly eyes, which you can purchase from Garraway. I just recently bought some to add to my collection, which is going down low. So I'm gonna get this lovely extra big googly eye. And can you see now your fish is coming alive? Yes, it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some glue, stick it down, and then we're going to paint the sea and a fishing line, because you know, boys and girls, you might say, but my dad's not a fisherman. But your dad don't have to be a fisherman. Fishing is a good hobby. You know, it's a way of relaxing and making time together with it could be having a bond with your son or your daughter. And yeah, just going out to fish. Even if you didn't catch anything, it's still a wonderful experience for you to have with your dad. And I know that this is something that you will treasure for a long time. So I'm going to put this eye right there. Okay, and yeah, there it is, boys and girls. So that's your handprint, but it's also in the shape. We try to make it look like a fish just coming out of the water. So we're going to get some blue, some lovely blue, and we're going to just do like wavy lines like that. And it's going at an angle. We're having it going at an angle like that. And then we can add some more like that. I'm sorry if you're off screen. I beg your pardon if you missed out. I just went over and I did some wavy lines like that, and I'm going to go ahead and do my second wavy line like that, and then one last line, if you can see, like that. Just pick up the... Alright, so boys and girls, you know, under the sea we have lovely exotic fishes, so you can decorate your fish as much as you want. I'm going to add some splashes of water coming from our fish like that, and another one falling down to the sea, back into the sea like that, and yeah, maybe another one coming out like that. All right, so yeah, these are different ways, you know, we can bond with our children. You know, they're not going to stay little forever, and these are memories that you can build with your children, and yeah, it's a wonderful thing to have. All right, so boys and girls, I am just going to leave that like that. I'm quite happy with my fish. I may just add a line going like that. Yeah, I like that. And that's the tail, and that's the part of the fins. So yeah, I quite like this. So we're going to leave that like that, and then we're going to add Fishing You Happy Father's Day. So it's like I'm going to get a hook. I'm going to draw a hook, I should say. And the hook is going to be coming right here, ready to hook up this lovely fish. And the lines coming out of the page like that. So it's just missed it. Maybe you'll try again and then you'll catch it for dinner. So that's the fishing hook. And we're going to write a message right here. We're going to write, "Fishing you, Happy Father's Day." So we're going to do that in, let me see, we have blue, we have orange, we have that going on. I think that what would be nice, we'll leave this black line. We're not going to use black to write the message, but we can use maybe a different shade of blue. So I've got a blue marker and an yellowish orange color, and the word fishing, I'm going to go ahead and use this color to distinguish the fish, the fishing, so that you can see that that's matching with the fish. And then the rest of the text will be in this lovely blue. So I'm just gonna go over the lines that I've just put in there very quickly. Fishing you a happy Father's Day. And boys and girls, I can't wait to see your card for your dad. And yeah, let's wish all the fathers out there a wonderful Father's Day with your children, and try to bond and make happy memories. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Happy Father's Day. Bye bye.